Summer demand spiked yesterday. Will your packaging keep up today? When orders surge, bottlenecks start where you least expect, at the strap. Even small disruptions can slow your entire line. Your brand reaches homes only if your packs reach retailers intact. Transit safe is brand safe, especially during heat and vibration-heavy summer transport. Plug-in performance, minimal tuning, maximum throughput, machine-friendly precision that protects both productivity and product integrity. Snapped straps, loose pallets, return headaches, avoidable. Electronics and cooling categories face pre-monsoon peaks. If packaging fails now, recovery is expensive. What would fewer stoppages and safer pallets do to your OTIF? Vijayco Strapping Rolls, engineered for summer spikes, because peak season won't wait.